What's up, drop services? Dylan Sigley here, and in this video here I'm getting into a question that I've received quite a lot recently about Fiverr. Everyone seems to be talking about reselling services on Fiverr as if that's what drop servicing is, but in this video I'm going to reveal the truth about drop servicing when it comes to getting high ticket sales. Because obviously with Fiverr it's great, you can get a few $100 sales here and there, but I want to show you guys how to get sales like this one here, which is $4,792 from a single client. So we're going to break down exactly how I'm able to do this in my drop servicing businesses, even in tough times such as these. So let's jump into it. So I kind of understand why everyone is always talking about Fiverr and how it can be good as a good starting point when you're getting into drop servicing, because it's easy to get started, right? You can easily find a service on Fiverr and start reselling it pretty quickly, but there are some downfalls of this, obviously, because if you're simply reselling the service on Fiverr, you're going to end up getting a lot of low ticket sales. And the problem with low ticket sales, meaning any sales under $1,000, is you need to get a lot of them in order to reach your target income number. So if you wanted to get $10,000 per month, you would need to get 100 of these low ticket sales, if they were worth $100 to you, right? And that's a lot of clients to be chasing after month after month. Next, if you're reselling on Fiverr, you're going to be relying on that platform. The problem with that is that freelancers on Fiverr will usually increase their prices on you again and again, and you don't have much buying power over them because you're just one of their many clients. And on top of that, you have Fiverr taking 20% of these freelancers' income. So that means that these freelancers are going to be charging more as well for their services if you're purchasing them directly on Fiverr. And that's why if you want to build a real online business that actually gets you high ticket sales and gets you clients coming back again and again, so you don't have to go out there and search for clients constantly all the time, you need to get off of these freelancer platforms and start building a business from scratch. So what is our goal? Well, our goal really ideally, right, would be to have 1 to 4 clients paying us month after month, or clients like this one that I just showed you paying you $4,792, coming back to you again and again, hiring you over and over again without you having to go out there and search for new clients. Because think about it, if you're constantly going out there searching for new clients, you're going to need to be marketing all the time, which is going to take a lot of your time, and then you're not going to get any of that freedom that you wanted from starting a business in the first place. So if you're able to get higher ticket sales but less clients, it means that you're going to be dealing with less people, which means less of your time, less marketing, and that gives you more time to focus on doing the things that you want to do with the free time that you've gathered from building an online business, right? So I'm sure you can agree that getting high ticket sales that are repeat buying month after month and coming back to you again and again is much better than getting hundreds of low ticket sales in order to reach the same freedom income number. Not only do you make more money from less clients, you also have to spend less time on your business, allowing you to live that freedom. But how do you actually go about this? Well, the first thing we want to do is research our competition, right? We want to find out what our competitors are charging so that we can determine what our high ticket prices should be too. And I recently did this for a branding business, for example, that I was building, and what I found was from researching all of my competition in the branding space that the average price for a certain specified job post was $2,333 on average, okay? And then I did the same job post with the same specifications, so the same project essentially, for freelancers across all the freelance networks like freelance.com, upwork.com, peopleperhour.com, and what I found is freelancers were charging $291 on average for the exact same thing that my competitors were charging $2,333 on average, okay? So that's crazy, right? That's almost 10 times more with the competitors. And you can see that this really massive difference that you as a drop servicer are able to go in and utilize to make a massive profit for yourself by being an internet middleman. So what you can do is you can essentially still set your prices at a really high ticket level. So let's say $1,500 for this branding package, for example, then you're paying your freelancers $291, so almost $300. So you're left with $1,200 profit. And look, better yet, you've got an amazing offer for your potential clients because you're only charging them $1,500 when your competitors are charging on average $2,333. So it's a massive difference, right? You can undercut your competitors while still making a massive profit because your team's so cheap, and you no longer need to rely on Fiverr and worry about price increases all the time. So once you've determined your prices, you simply need to put together an offer, put together a message, some copywriting, and start putting that offer in front of your clients. And you can use methods that I talk about in other videos on this channel, like email marketing or Facebook advertising or social media outreach with LinkedIn. There's tons of methods you can use when it comes to marketing with drop servicing. And that's the great thing about it. We can use basically any platform on the internet to reach out to our competitors who are decision makers at companies that have a large budget. The great thing about having high ticket clients too that are paying you thousands and thousands of dollars instead of a few $100s for the same project is usually they're going to be less annoying. They're usually going to have more money to spend, so they're not going to rush you, they're not going to try and underpay you. They're going to be much higher quality clients and much better and easier to work with for your team. And that's the great thing, right? You only need to go out there using these marketing methods, put your offer in front of potential clients, and get 1 to 4 clients that are paying you month after month, or repeat buyers like this example sale here, who's been working with me since 2017. So that's the truth about drop servicing. You want to be doing high ticket sales, getting repeat clients coming back to you again and again, month after month, paying you over and over again, so you don't need to go out there and be constantly marketing and spending all of your time reaching out to get those new low ticket sales. You can relax, sit back, enjoy some of your freedom, and just have a few high ticket clients paying you again and again with a simple service that your team is delivering. Everything's completely automated and you can do what you want with your free time. So hopefully that clarifies things for you guys. Hopefully you realize now the potential of high ticket sales versus low ticket sales, what some of the benefits are when it comes to high ticket sales, and you can make your decision from there. But yeah, I really just wanted to reveal that truth to you because I see everyone talking about low ticket sales when it comes to drop servicing, and that's really not been my experience in terms of what the best thing to do is. All these years doing this, high ticket sales has been the best way to go, and that's why it's the direction I have gone in and I show you how to do in this channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.